In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header image to your Google form. Whether you're looking to make your form stand out with a custom design or simply want to add a touch of personalization, adding a header image is a simple and effective way to enhance your form's appearance. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Forms. Open your web browser and go to the Google Forms website. Once you're there, you can either start a new form or open an existing one. If you're new to Google Forms, don't worry, it's very intuitive and user-friendly. Once you have your form open, look towards the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find a small palette icon. This is the theme icon, and clicking on it will open up various customization options for your form. By clicking this icon, you can start to personalize your form to better suit your needs or the theme of your event or project. After clicking the theme icon, direct your attention to the header section within the theme options. This is where you'll be able to add or change the image that appears at the top of your form. It's a great spot to insert an image that ties in with the message or branding of your form. Next, look for the Choose Image button within the header section. By clicking this button, you'll be presented with a couple of options. You can either select from a range of pre-made themes provided by Google Forms, or you can choose to upload your own image. If you're opting to upload your own picture, make sure that the image is of high quality and fits well within the header dimensions to maintain a professional look. If you decide to go with a pre-made theme, simply browse through the available options and pick one that aligns with the tone or purpose of your form. Google offers a variety of themes that can cater to different styles and occasions, making it easy to find one that complements your content. On the other hand, if you're uploading your own photo, click the Upload option and follow the prompts to select an image from your computer. Once you've uploaded it, Google Forms will automatically adjust the image to fit within the form's header space. And there you have it! You've successfully added a header image to your Google form. This simple customization can make your form more visually appealing and engaging for your audience. Remember, a well-designed form can make a big difference in how your respondents perceive and interact with it. Thanks for watching, and happy form designing!